Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk about my native language, my mother tongue language, Indonesian, or people usually call it as Bahasa Indonesia, or even in a short word as Bahasa. So, okay, before we started, I'm going to talk about the history of Indonesia language also in this video. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Okay, we meet again. So Indonesian is derived from Malay language, or you can call it as Melayu language, Bahasa Melayu, and was designated as the national language at the Youth Congress on October 28, 1928. This language is used to unite all ethnic groups and languages used throughout Indonesia. Do you know how many languages are in Indonesia? Can you guess? Well, we have so many languages in Indonesia. Indonesia has 748 regional languages based on Wikipedia, and some other resources say that Indonesia has 724 regional language, and we have Indonesian as our national language. Although understood and spoken by more than 90% of Indonesians, Indonesian language is not the mother tongue of most speakers. So usually, people of Indonesia will speak more than two languages, Bahasa Indonesia and their regional language. Most Indonesians use one of the 748 languages in Indonesia as a mother tongue. Indonesian speakers often use colloquial versions, and sometimes people confuse them with other Malay dialect or Indonesian. According to the number of speakers, the languages most used in Indonesia are: number 1, Javanese language. So ranking number 1 is for Javanese language or Bahasa Jawa. And then number 2 is Indonesian language itself, or you can call it Bahasa Indonesia. And number 3 is Sundanese language or Bahasa Sunda. And then number 4 is Madurese language or Bahasa Madura. And then Batak language family or Bahasa Batak. Well, in this Bahasa Batak we have so many variation also, but we're not gonna talk about this, so let's move to next language. Minangkabau language is the next one. And then Bugis language or Bahasa Bugis. And then Acehese language, Bahasa Aceh. Balinese language or Bahasa Bali. And then Malay language itself, we also use it in some part of Indonesia, or you can call it Bahasa Melayu. And then Banjar language or Bahasa Banjar. And then Pamona language or Bahasa Pamona, it usually used in Poso, Sulawesi part of our country. And then Minahasa language family. So those are just some of our 748 regional language. So what we gonna do with all of these 748 language? That's why our leaders in 1928 they think that we have to have a language to unite us all, and the language is Bahasa Indonesia. Now, mostly, I think all of Indonesian people can speak Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian language. That's why I'm gonna ask you to join me to learn Indonesian language, the easiest part. Very, very easy. This is the basic one. Okay, let's go. Hi guys. So I'm going to show you basic of Indonesian language. Okay, let's get started. Indonesian language also called as Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, Bahasa Indonesia like this. Bahasa means language, and Indonesia is, of course, the name of the language itself. To greetings, we can use this sentence like good morning is selamat pagi, selamat pagi. Good day, selamat siang, selamat siang. Good afternoon, selamat sore, selamat sore. Good evening, selamat malam, selamat malam. Good night, selamat malam, selamat malam. So everything's using good, you can translate it to selamat. In this case, yeah, in this case only. And then morning is pagi in Bahasa Indonesia. Day is not always siang actually, but in this case, we use it. Good day as selamat siang. Afternoon is sore in Indonesia. And for evening and night, we use the same word, which is malam. Okay? Next, to greet people, we can use greeting or salam. For most Indonesian who have Islam religion or Muslim, as a Muslim, we used to greet people with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. But for informal case, you can use hi and make it as like this. Hi. Hello. Hello. How are you? Apa kabar? Apa kabar? I'm fine, thanks. Saya baik-baik saja. Terima kasih. Saya baik-baik saja. Terima kasih. And this is using at the end of our meeting with people, like goodbye, selamat tinggal, selamat tinggal, see you later, sampai ketemu lagi, sampai ketemu lagi. Nice to meet you. Senang bertemu Anda. Senang bertemu Anda. And this one is a very basic question to ask someone's name. What is your name? Siapa namamu? My name is Vitri. Nama saya Vitri. Okay? What is meaning siapa and your name meaning namamu. What is your name? Siapa namamu? My name is meaning nama saya. My name is Vitri. Nama saya Vitri. Okay, next one. We have these pronouns using in our language. I, aku, or you can use saya as well. I forgot to put it in. Aku for informal and saya for formal one. You, kamu for informal and Anda for formal one. She, dia, he, dia. So we do not make any difference between male and female. We don't have any masculine or feminine words. So this is why Indonesian language is pretty easy. We, kami, they, mereka. It, itu. For things, ya, itu. Example. Hi, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Hai, selamat pagi. Apa kabar? Kabar baik, terima kasih. Hai, selamat pagi. Apa kabar? Kabar baik, terima kasih. So for asking question, we use this basic question word like what, apa, who, siapa, where, di mana, when, kapan, how, bagaimana. I repeat once again. What, apa, who, siapa, where, di mana, when, kapan, how, bagaimana. For answering question, we use yes, ya, no, tidak. Yes, ya, no, tidak. Okay? And at the end of conversation, we can use this. Thank you. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. See you later. Sampai jumpa lagi. Sampai jumpa lagi. Okay, this is the last slide of my video program for today. Please translate it in Indonesia and leave in comment below. I really hope that you guys want to learn Indonesian language because it's pretty easy, and Indonesia is such a beautiful country, you know. And most of Indonesian, we don't speak English fluently. Maybe only the young generation they speak English fluently, but for older generation, we only speak Indonesian language and regional language. So please learn Indonesian language. That is much better for you when you visit my country. Okay, the practice is like this. I will give you some words in English and please translate it in Indonesian. Hello, my name is, and then please fill in with your name. How are you? See you later. Goodbye. Okay, please translate it in Indonesian language and leave in comment below. I'm sorry, this is a kind of typo. Should be translated in Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, I hope you guys will get better understanding and new knowledge of our language. By the way, I'm not Bahasa teacher, I'm not language teacher. So I only teach you basic daily conversation only in informal way to talk with Indonesian people. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and be my friend. Bye bye.